we can start off with the introduction of each one of you. Ankush ji, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Ankush. I've completed my engineering from Delhi University and I've worked with Bain & Company as consultant for 1 year post that, and in 2016 I started my solar venture, and I've been associated with Waaree since 2017, I guess. Yeah.
Great. See, how has been your journey so far?
So after my graduation, I started as a consultant at Bain & Company. So I was sure that this is something I don't want to do in life. Then I joined my family business, which was electrical trading. So that was also not my cup of tea. So then a small project came out. It was a rural electrification project, a small 5 kilowatt off-grid system in a rural area. So I just thought that let's give it a try. And my personal experience there was so, like, the happiness there was like so much. I was just overwhelmed with the happiness, and that was the reason I got into solar. I remember an old lady there in the village. She quoted, "This is the first time I've seen an artificial light in my life." Like, it's 2017 or 16, and still there are people that have not seen artificial light in their life. So that was the moving point where I thought that, like, this is something I can really work for. Right. That has always inspired me and kept me inspired. Like, this is something which we can do for the country, for the people.
Absolutely right, sir. We at Waaree also, like, I have a CRM team with me. I have a lot of young people coming in who want to get into marketing, and I tell them only one thing कि आपका काम भले ही छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, पर उस काम के पीछे का जो इंटेंट है ना, वो बहुत बड़ा है. और वो इंटेंट क्या है कि किसी की अंधेरी जिंदगी में आप उजाला लेकर के आ रहे हैं.
Exactly. There's one more experience in which there was a rural electrification work, and काफी हिल पे था वो काम. So the last point जहाँ तक vehicle जा सकता है तो 30 kilometers away from the village, and 30 minutes mountain पे ट्रैक करना है, ठीक है. So मेरा टीम वहाँ पे पहुँच चुका है, and I don't know what to do next because 30 kilometers, like, we cannot carry the material.
Right.
तो मैंने गाँव के किसी आदमी को बोला कि हम लोगों की टीम वहाँ पे फंसी हुई है. The whole village came out and they picked the materials safely, including the batteries, and they carried it for 30 kilometers. So it was a day's event, and like they were all enjoying it because उनको इतना खुशी था कि उनके पास एक लाइव पहुंचने वाला है.
वो कहते हैं सर, धर्मो रक्षित रक्षिता. तुम धर्म की रक्षा करोगे, धर्म तुम्हारी रक्षा करेगा. if you have the right intent, things will move right. आप मुझे बताइए कि ये जो पैंडेमिक था, ओके, स्पेसिफिकली, ओके, ये पैंडेमिक ने कैसे आपका पूरा बिजनेस करने का तरीका शेप किया? तो how did you cope up with it? What did you do? What innovations did you bring in?
In my personal experience, restructuring the organization was something which we also like focused on at that time, training our teams. Waaree was also holding a lot of training modules at that time. So that was definitely beneficial. And apart from strengthening our own strength, we also tried to bond with our the existing customers who have already worked with us and everything. So I think that has built a channel. So because of our marketing at that time and any support, like in hard times, if you have someone just standing at your back, you just feel happy about having them. And apart from it, I think gaining the confidence of my employees, I think that was the time, because generally when my team used to travel, they used to use public transport and everything. So we encouraged go use cabs and everything. We would reimburse for those things. So I think that was also beneficial because we gained the loyalty of our employees like many folds, and I didn't have to close my enterprise because of COVID. So I think that was also beneficial. So the added cost which I incurred.
So you followed Richard Branson, wherein he says that if you take care of employees, they will take care of your business very well.
Exactly.
So you took care of them and they took care of the business very well. That's really good, sir. That's really good. लाइफ में कैसा वो नाजुक मोड़ आता है ना, जब उसे लगता है he is at the bench. He's like, I will give up now. यार ये नहीं होने वाला है, मैं नहीं कर सकता ये. And then something he changes in his life, some divine thought that comes to him, yeah, some modification he does into himself, and then everything changes, and then there's no stoppage. So आपके लाइफ में भी I am sure during this time of this journey of your solar, you would have experienced something like this. And what was it? If you can just share it with our people, and then what did you do to change it?
आई थिंक सेतुल जी ने काफी अच्छे से पुट किया है इसको, एंड उन्होंने जो प्रॉब्लम पॉइंट आउट किया है वो आई थिंक सारे बिजनेसेस में होता है, लाइक नॉट जस्ट सोलर।
रोलर कोस्टर राइड ही है,
एवरीथिंग इज रोलर कोस्टर राइड। सो अगर कोई क्लाइंट बहुत प्रॉब्लमेटिक है, यू कैन लाइक स्टॉप वर्किंग विद दैट क्लाइंट। और कोई वेंडर के आप सर्विसेज यूज कर रहे हो, उसके सर्विसेज बहुत अच्छे नहीं है, यू कैन स्टॉप वर्किंग विद दैट वेंडर। बट अपना बिजनेस बंद करना इज नॉट एन ऑप्शन, बिकॉज इजी मनी तो कहीं पर भी नहीं है ना, स्ट्रगल तो सब जगह है, वरना तो इजी मनी है कहीं पर अवेलेबल होता, सब घर बैठ के आराम से वही कर रहे होते हैं। सो आई डोंट थिंक लाइक क्विटिंग सोलर बिजनेस वाज एनी ऑप्शन फॉर मी एनी टाइम, बट हाँ मतलब अप्स एंड डाउन्स तो हमेशा हर चीज में रहते हैं।
सर ऐसा कोई यूनिक जुगाड़, यूनिक सोल्यूशन कुछ जो इम्प्लीमेंट किया जिसने आपका पूरा बिजनेस का मॉडल ही बदल दिया हो, या फिर कोई नया इनोवेशन जो आपने किया हो जिसने मतलब आपका जो बिजनेस करने का तरीका कहिए या फिर आपका टर्नओवर कहिए उसको ड्रास्टिकली चेंज कर दिया हो, या फिर कुछ हद तक चेंज कर दिया हो?
मैं जुगाड़ नहीं बोलूंगा, बट देयर इज ऑलवेज बीन अ मंत्रा, ठीक है, कि नेवर सेल चीप। फर्स्ट कोट, डेफिनेटली आप बिजनेस करने के लिए हो तो आप नुकसान तो नहीं करोगे ना खुद का, यू आर ऑलवेजली डिस्काउंटिंग सम ऑफ द सर्विसेज, ठीक है। सो आई थिंक जब हम लोग डिस्काउंट करते हैं तो हम लोग अपना एक क्रेडिबिलिटी और एक ब्रांड इमेज भी खराब करते हैं।
राइट।
आई थिंक व्हेन आई से नेवर सेल चीप, सामने वाला भी सोचता है यार कुछ तो एक्स्ट्रा दे ही रहा होगा शायद, एंड वो हमेशा रहता भी है, बिकॉज हमारे इंडस्ट्री में वर्ड ऑफ माउथ मार्केटिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज नॉर्मली लोग एक दूसरे जानते होते हैं, नहीं तो वो रेफरेंस तो लेते ही लेते हैं, एंड व्हेन पीपल इज लाइक रेफरिंग यू, so they're also giving a part of your stamp ki approved, right, XYZ approved.
तो अब आपका आगे फ्यूचर का क्या प्लान है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक वेयर सोलर इज गोइंग, एंड आपके क्या प्लान्स है? आप और क्या करना चाहते हो? व्हाट इज यू वांट टू अचीव? वेयर डू यू सी योरसेल्फ? व्हाट प्लान्स डू यू हैव?
So Siliguri, like I'm from Siliguri, so Siliguri is a very small part of India. I think my immediate plan would be geographical expansion. Like not just in India, because we have Bhutan and Nepal very close by, so that can be a potential market for us. And second would be expanding the product basket altogether, like cables from Vakab and pumps and everything. So we are also thinking of expanding in that sense, like not just limiting ourselves to rooftops and like ground mounting systems, but also pumps and street lighting.
Though we say it's Nepal and Bhutan, but yes, it's an international presence that we'll be having over a period of time.
They're like,
yeah,
they're like
it's an international presence then. You'll be having an international presence. Great. आपका कोई ऐसा कोट है? मतलब क्या होता है कि हर इंसान के लाइफ में एक तकिया कलाम होता है या फिर एक कोट होता है जो उसके साथ जिंदगी भर चलता है, मतलब वो उसके पूरे जीवन को शेप कर देता है।
So I don't have a life mantra, but there's something which I always keep in mind when I'm pitching a client. There was a movie Godfather.
Right.
उसका एक लाइन है, I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse. So
okay,
that's something I always have in mind. Like it keeps my confidence high. Like I'm here to make an offer that he can't refuse. So that's always keep me high. Yeah.
Great. So what I feel is all of us are trying our level best. We are doing good, and there is अभी तो मंजिल और बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है। So how the way Robert Frost said it, like, you know, the woods are lovely, dark and deep. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. So there are miles that we have to go before we sleep. So with this, I would like to bring it to an end. Thank you everyone for joining in.